In this video, friends, I will show you step by step how to connect JustMarket to MetaTrader 5. So guys, log in your account and then go to this My Account option, click Add a New Account. From here, go to this section Meta 5, as you can see here, guys. And then you have this standard and popular. Choose this one, try a demo, for example, this one. And then all you have to do from open trading account, you should be, guys, download your MetaTrader 5, guys, on your Google. Download MetaTrader 5, click on this one, download. After download this MetaTrader 5 on your browse, you can get your all information, and then go to here and click your currency and choose the leverage, and then choose your password, guys. Click create account. After that, guys, friends, your account was created, and then you will send your email, guys. After send your email, guys, account, this is the MetaTrader 5. Just click a trade and then download the Meta. You can use Meta 5 on your web trade, and then just log in your information here and click connect your account. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon.